G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a great home, 16 Vanda Street in the popular bayside suburb of Urangan. There's a bit to take in. Let's go and take a look around. This steel frame brick home was completed around 1988 and has been well maintained and freshly repainted throughout. Positioned on a spacious 608 square metre allotment in the highly sought after bayside location of Urangan, within easy walking distance to the Urangan Central Shopping Centre and Aldi. You will enjoy the lifestyle that comes with having other key amenities all within minutes of this home, including the Urangan Marina and boat ramps, Hervey Bay Boat Club, Botanic Gardens, Esplanade, beach, cafes, restaurants and the iconic Urangan Pier. With rental vacancy rates as tight as we've ever seen them across Hervey Bay, there really has never been a better time to invest in our local property market. First home buyers looking to purchase into an established area with solid growth potential and room to add further value should also take note. The open plan living and dining area features high vaulted ceilings and lovely parquetry flooring, and you'll note those louver windows which do feature throughout this home to capture the prevailing sea breezes. The kitchen offers ample bench and storage space and includes a gas stove with range hood. This home does include 3 bedrooms. The first bedroom includes built-in wall cabinetry. The main bedroom includes a built-in wardrobe. The bathroom will suit those with disabilities and features an open shower recess without a screen and a vanity, and you've also got a separate toilet. The laundry features a new tub and offers direct access outside to the clothesline. The large north-facing outdoor entertaining area does span the full length to the rear of this home and is where you will enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. There are no lawns or grass to mow at this home, with the front yard featuring those lovely low-maintenance established gardens. The entire rear area has also been paved, making it ideal for those looking for a low-maintenance home base to return to between your nomadic travels. Vehicle accommodation includes a tandem-length carport to the side of the home, which does lead through to the 6x6 double base shed at the rear, which includes power, and you do have space to accommodate RVs, caravans and boats. The owners have committed to selling this fantastic home, and properties in this location and price range are a rare commodity and always in high demand. So here's your opportunity to call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.